Okay, well, I've just opened my first birthday present, and it's this Saitek gaming keyboard. I might be mispronouncing that. I'm terrible at pronouncing names of things, so forgive me. Well, a couple of key things I've noticed right off the bat is the WSAD keys, the space bar, and the arrow keys all have this slippery chrome finish, which feels cool, but I don't know if it'll be that great if my fingers start slipping off of it, but I don't think it will be a problem. We'll see when I start using it. Well, it's got macro keys on each side, kind of like a Logitech G15, though I'm not going to compare the two too much because I still think the Logitech is way superior to this keyboard, though I guess I'm being a little biased seeing as I've only used this for like 10 minutes. But anyway, it's basically a normal keyboard besides the whole silver and having macro keys. But then it starts getting interesting when you start looking at the top here. This whole top row here is all touchscreen. And then it's got brightness control for turning the lights on and off. And you can change between red and green. And then you've got your mute key for muting the speakers, your touch for your volume. Touchscreen can be a little buggy sometimes. You gotta maybe press it a few times to get it to do what you want it to do. Then we've got play, and then play and pause, selecting tracks, and this is where it gets interesting. Then you can hit this little cyborg dude and it turns your Windows key off, so that does not do anything anymore, so you can't accidentally hit that in the middle of a firefight or something by accident and get you and your whole team killed. It's got these cool, you can mess with the colors of different areas. Like you can make your WSAD keys like green and really bright, or your main keys, or your arrow keys, your numpad, or your macro keys, which I thought was pretty cool. And then, like I said, you can change the brightness and the color of separate things. Like if I select my WSAD keys and then click this little button down here, which is the color select, now they're green and very bright instead of being red. Some people may like that, some people may not. I like it. Well, after watching my video, I noticed you guys really couldn't see the touchscreen at the top very well because it was so dark, so I decided to get a light and show you it better. There's the little Windows key that will light up when you're in Cyborg gaming mode, saying your Windows key won't work. There's your lights on and off, volume, mute, play pause, track back, track forward, Cyborg gaming button. There's the little display that lets you change the colors of various things, such as the WSAD keys, arrow keys, numpad, so on. Brightness, and then color, and then minus and plus. So there you go. Now you can see the whole thing a whole lot better. And yeah. So anyway, that pretty much concludes my little miniature review of this keyboard. I personally think it's pretty cool. It's competitively priced with the Logitech G15. You can pick one of these up for about, I think 60. They start at like $64, I want to say, if you search Google. So if anyone's interested, I would definitely recommend this keyboard to people that want to be a little different and not just, you know, grab the G15 like everybody else. Unless you care about only performance, then I would pick up the G15 because it definitely is a better performer, as I've used it also for a long time. So yeah, that concludes my review. Hope this helps some people out there. Alright, that's it. Peace.